Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Disco Elysium crashing or not launching or lagging on Android phone. So if you are also looking to play the game but unfortunately crashing or other issues occurs, don't worry, go through this video guide and follow the methods one by one. So what you need to do is the first step is to restart your phone. For that, simply press power and volume up button. After pressing both the buttons at the same time, now click on restart option, and once your device restarts, now try to launch the game and check if it's able to play now. If not, the second solution is to check your network connection, that is internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is properly connected and it's stable. If you are using Wi-Fi, make sure it is stable, or if you are using mobile data, make sure that no fluctuation occurs. You can also change from mobile data to Wi-Fi or vice versa, and then try to launch the game and check if this works. Next solution is to force stop Disco Elysium game. For that, hold the game icon over here and then click on I option. Now here you can see force stop option is there. Simply click on force stop and then click on OK. After this, the app will stop working. Now once restart your device and then try to launch the game and check if it resolves the issue. If not, the next solution is to clear cache of the game. So for that, again hold the game icon, click on I option over here. Now click on storage and cache, and after that click on clear cache option. After clearing the cache, now try to launch the game and check if this solution works for you. If not, the next solution suggested is to check whether the game needs any update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game, that is Disco Elysium, and here you need to check if there is any update available for the game. If yes, then simply update the app or game to the latest version, and after that try to play the game and see if it's work. If it doesn't work, it's time to check if your phone operating system needs any update. For that, go to settings on your phone. Now go below and click on system update. Here you will find if there is any update available. As in my phone there is no available update, so if in your case if there is any update available, simply update your phone to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check if this solution works. If not, if all the above methods fail, then it's time to reinstall the game. For that, simply hold the game icon for some time, and here you can see delete option. Simply click on it, and now you can click on uninstall option. Once the game is removed, now go to Google Play Store. But before that, don't forget to restart your device once. After restarting your device, now go to Google Play Store. In the search bar, search for the game, that is Disco Elysium, and from here you need to install the game once again, and after that try to play the game and check if the solution works. So these are few solutions suggested to fix Disco Elysium crashing or not launching or lagging or showing other kind of issues on Android devices. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.